Dear students, in this video we will discuss about the transformation of sentence. That means how to change positive into negative and also negative into positive. You know, we add not to make a positive sentence into negative, but in other ways we can also make into negative. Okay, so avoid using not to form negative sentences. Okay, so here the first transform the following sentences as directed. You are not disobedient. Okay, you have to change into affirmative. You are obedient. Okay, you are obedient. If the question asked you are obedient, change into negative. You can say you are not disobedient. Okay, next question. He is too coward to face any difficulty. You have to change into negative. He is not brave to face any difficulty. Okay, you can say he is not too coward to face any difficulty. You can say he is not brave to face any difficulty. Okay, next question. She is beautiful. Okay, she is beautiful. Change into negative. She is not ugly. Okay, she is not ugly. This mango is not sweet. You have to change into affirmative. This mango is sour. Okay, this mango is sour. None but aeroplane can carry you so soon. You have to change into affirmative. Okay, none but aeroplane can carry you so soon. Only aeroplane can carry you soon. Okay, none but. Here the word none but. That means only an aeroplane can carry you soon. Next question. I am more powerful than your brother. Your brother is not so powerful as I. You can't say I am not so powerful than your brother. Here the sentence is given I am more powerful than your brother. That means your brother is not so powerful as I. Okay. Next question. He is so poor that he can't afford a car. Okay. You have to change into affirmative. This is negative. Okay. He is so poor he can't afford a car. This is in negative sentence. Okay. You have to change into affirmative. He is too poor to afford a car. Okay. This is positive. They are honest. You have to change into negative. They are not dishonest. Next question. There is no smoke without fire. Okay. This is a task for you. Try to do. If not, then I will give the answer in the next video. It is possible to go there. You have to change into negative. It is not impossible to go there. Next question. I love my country. You have to change into negative. You can't say I don't love my country. Okay, this is wrong answer. I love my country. Okay, this negative form will be I don't hate my country. Okay. No sooner did I see the lion, I ran away. You have to change into affirmative. As soon as I see the lion, I ran away. Next question. Avoid mixing with the bad boys. You have to change into negative. Okay. Don't mix with the bad boys. Okay. The next question. He is the most gentle boy. This is also a text for you. Try to give the answer. If not, I will tell in the next class. Only parliament can pass this law. You have to change into negative. None but parliament can pass this law. This is like the similar question aeroplane. Okay. Here the 5 number. Okay. A similar question. The next question. God never forgets us. Affirmative. God always remember us. As soon as the teacher came, all the students stood up. You have to change into negative. This is also text for you. Just look at the question number 12. Okay. This is the similarity question. 12 number and 17. Okay. Try to do. I am not so foolish as he. Okay. You have to change into affirmative. I am more intelligent than he. Okay. He is a brave boy. You have to change into negative. He is not a coward boy. Okay. You can say he is not a brave boy. He is a brave boy. You have to change it to negative. He is not a coward boy. That means he is a brave boy. Obey your elders. You can say don't obey your elders. Okay. Don't disobey your elders because you know advice, suggestions. These sentences are never goes in negative form. none but the brave deserve the fair. Only the brave deserve the fair. Next question, only an honest leader is respected. None but an honest leader is respected. This plan is not impossible. This plan is possible. Okay. So these are the most important questions. If you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Okay. Thank you.